2013 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. God, what color is this? What do we call this? Burnt copper or burnt orange. There's probably a name for it. Let us know in the comments what the true name of it is. Anyways, factory converters, there and there. And then as you guys can see, true dual all the way back. And we did it in 2-inch. He wanted it as loud as possible. He lives in the country and he wants to compete with everybody else out there. We did 2-inch all the way back. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And put some 5-inch roll tips, our signature roll tips by 18s. There's the 2 resonators, there and there, and the 2 tips. And then there's where it wires into a single right there. And as you guys can see, you always want to try to true dual them because there is no breathing out of that. It's really restricted. And it had a Flowmaster Super Tin on it. We took it off too. It's a knockoff. Let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We really need you guys to hit that subscribe button so we can grow and prosper. Yeah. There it is. Again. 119, bro. Yeah. That's awesome. Again. If you get that metal command, it takes a and they run like non-stop. Go ahead. Nice idle to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. In a little bit. Why? Ford F-150 5.4 Triton XLT 4x4. He's gonna lift it next, he was saying. Factory converters there and there. Then what we did on it is true dual. Look at that, 2 1/4 all the way back. So when mufflers chops tell you, oh, it's gonna be this much, it's a little bit more expensive because we gotta use a lot of pipe. As you guys can see, it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there, into massive 6-inch tips. Because, you know, why not? They resonate really nicely when we do true duals on them. We try to go always with a little bit bigger tip, and it is a pretty big truck. So you gotta have massive tips on it. There they are, 6-inch. And this is the whole system we cut off right there. That's where it usually wires off, right there, out the back. There's the stock muffler and stock tailpipe, all 2 1/2. So now he has 4 1/2 inches worth of flow compared to the 2 1/2 he used to have before. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's a good sounding V8 right there. Oh, you guys should see their faces. Go ahead. That sounds so much nicer. Yeah, babe. There's sound decibels. Again. I like that pop. Again. I like it. You guys like it? Yeah. Yeah. It's not gonna be that loud. Sounds so nice. Ford F-150. beautiful straight pipe Ford F-150, 6-inch tips. Got us a 2019 GMC 5.3 liter V8 Sierra. Factory converters there and there. And in 19, they don't come with the third cat, which is awesome. So we did true dual all the way back. And you always want to cross them to equalize back pressure. Right there. All the way 2 1/4, all the way back. We took the factory tips out and put these black tips in its place. Came out really beautiful, as you guys can see right there and there. Quads. There and there. There'll be a link in the description for them and for the piping. Not really. There's the old pipe that was on it that we cut off. We took all that off, as you guys can see right there. Replace it with this. It looks so much nicer, so much cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's better. Now it's aligned. Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8 beast. It's a good friend of mine. This is probably number 8 or 10 we've done for them. They always bring us all their trucks and cars, and he had a red Mustang that we have on the channel. He had a Chevy we have on the channel. Really nice guy. Got factory converters there and there. Secondary converters there and there. Right there and right there. Then it is dual from the factory, true dual. And guess what we did? We continued that true dual all the way back, out the sides on each side, mandrel bent tailpipes into 6-inch massive tips rolled there and there. And make sure you guys always zip tie the brake lines away just in case. And there it is right there. There's the 6-inch tip here and there's the 6-inch tip there. True dual. So good too. All tucked in like that, so it's really clean. Look at that. Really, really clean. Barely see it at the edge. That's just sexy. Sexy! If you guys don't think this is sexy, then you need to get off the channel. That's what I think. Let you guys hear on the inside.
2006 Toyota Tundra 4.7 liter V8. Still has its stock cats right there and right there. And then we true dualed it all the way back, 2 1/4, all the way into 5-inch stainless steel exhaust tips. We'll have a link in the description for those. There you go. It's gonna sound absolutely phenomenal. Woo! Woo! Damn. Sound decibel. 120, dude. Alright, back it out. Holy crap. You like it? Yeah, I like it. There you go. That sounds great. I like the 4.7. Sounds a lot different than the 5.7. So much traffic as usual. That is so loud. You can still hear it.
2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 6.0 beast. Throaty, big truck, huge. She's big. You think she's big, Jared? Anyways, as you guys can see, it comes true dual from the factory. 2.5. First converter's right there. They're massive. Second converter is there. And what we did is 2.5-inch system all the way back. True dual on each side, this side, and this side. And straight out the back into some 4-inch black roll tips. There and there to complete the look. Right there, as you guys can see, there it is. True dual straight pipe. Only thing on it is the cats. There's the old system that was on it. It's all rotted out, broke apart. So we took it off, cleaned it up for him. He'll get another 7 to 10 years out of it. You guys see where he's come from? Washington, D.C.
No, Washington State.
Washington State.
Seattle, man.
Seattle, Washington.
Hey, I just want to say for the video, I myself, I don't let nobody touch my vehicles, but mufflers I don't really do. And just looking at these guys do my truck in under 2 hours, you can tell this place really takes pride in their craftsmanship, man. I mean, the welds, the hangers, everything they did, they cut it nice, uniform. I mean, you can't get a better job. You can definitely tell this place takes pride in their work. It's just quality, man.
Thank you for the kind words, brother.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you for your work, brother.
Absolutely. We appreciate you. All right, guys. Let you guys hear it. Yeah.
That's a pretty sounding fucking thing.
That's what it's supposed to sound like.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Here's sound decibels. 119, bro. 119. That's awesome. Supposed to sound like that's sexy. I'll let you guys hear on this side. Silverado 6.0 all the way from Seattle, Washington. We appreciate him coming out. I think he likes it. We appreciate his kind words too. coming. Wow, you can still hear it. I love it.